right, number 16. So again, we are working on solving a rational equation. So I like to turn all my fractions into fractions, even if they don't look like fractions. 2 is a fraction, it's 2 over 1. What we want to multiply every term by is our least common denominator. Now in this situation, our least common denominator is x minus 3 times x plus 6 times 1, but the 1 doesn't really affect it. So what I'm going to do to each one of these is multiply them by basically every denominator we have going on. So it's really easy to make mistakes if you're just eyeballing it. So I really suggest that you write this out. Okay, so in my first fraction, my x minus 3's cancel. So I'm left with x minus 2 times x minus 6. I have a plus in the middle. In my second, x minus 6 is what cancels. Sorry, I was just crossing them out, not circling them. I didn't want to confuse what we got going on here. X minus 6 is canceled. What's left is what I'm circling. X minus 2 times x minus 3. Sorry, I was just saying that I had that x plus 2 in that first fraction. Should have been an x plus 2. The last, on the other side of the equal sign, I have a 1 in the denominator, so nothing cancels. Again, once we get rid of the fractions, now we just algebra our way forward as carefully as possible. This one, I really don't want to do 2 steps, but I'm going to. Ooh, double distribute all over the place. Okay, now we're going to combine our like terms. So our like terms here, I have x squared and another x squared. Our x's from left to right here, I have negative 4x minus 3, negative 7, minus 2, negative 9. And then I have negative 12 plus 6 is negative 6. As carefully as possible. On the other side of my equal sign, I have this guy here, those middle terms, negative 6 minus 3 is negative 9x. So what I really have here is 2x squared minus 18x plus 36. All right, now we want to combine our like terms across the equal sign. And with this one, it's actually kind of good news because we're not going to have to factor. As much as I love factoring, we've done so much factoring in this unit, it's kind of relaxing every once in a while when your x squareds just cancel like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my 18x over. Negative 9x plus 18x is positive 9x. 6 over. divide by 9. And then both of those numbers are divisible by 3. 3 goes into 42 14 times. 3 goes into 9 3 times. We want to make sure this isn't a value that's going to make either of our denominators 0. And if I scroll back up, my denominators are x minus 3. So there I would have said x cannot equal 3. And x minus 6, so there I would have said x cannot equal 6. So 14 thirds is beautiful. All right, see me if you need extra help before the test.